Hi, I'm Hannah Bolte. I work at Lozier Corporation, and I'm also the chair of Women in Manufacturing Nebraska. Women in Manufacturing is a national organization. It's a organization that connects women to promote and inspire women to join the manufacturing industry. We have a local chapter here in Nebraska to do just that and to carry on that mission of promoting and inspiring women into the industry. When you look at all of the data and you look at the gap of workers and the demand of workers year over year in the industry, it's huge. But then when you look at the demographics of how many people work in the manufacturing industry nationwide, or even at the state level, only 30% of that nationwide is women. Then you look at the need, and the numbers aren't balancing. So the need to be able to connect connect women to the industry, to show them, hey, yes, you can do that, and connect them with others to be able to promote and inspire that is so critically important to the industry's future. Well, I think there's a couple of different ways to look at that. So 30% of your manufacturing workforce, 103,000 people in Nebraska work in manufacturing. Only 30% of that is women. There's a huge opportunity right there. We need 3,000 to 5,000 people to join the manufacturing industry every single year just to keep it running at the pace that we're running right now. We're not getting that. So tapping into women as a pipeline of talent is a big deal. Connecting with the next generation, promoting and inspiring girls who are in high school, middle school, to want to do this as a field, to be able to see themselves in those positions is so hugely important to the future success for Nebraska and for the manufacturing industry. So at Lozier is one of the primary sponsors for Women in Manufacturing Nebraska, and some of the events that we're doing, so we're doing a lot to connect with that next generation. So we've got all of the things from our school visits to getting in front of girls, like we've partnered with Girl Scouts Spirit of Nebraska to do some future career exploration days. We've partnered with UNO to do introduce a Girl to Engineering Day. We also came down here to Lincoln and got in front of the College of Engineering to talk about the engineering career paths that are within manufacturing. And we're getting ready to host a Girls in STEM manufacturing camp here in a couple of weeks. That's a Women in Manufacturing event. Lozier just happens to be a sponsor of it. We've also partnered with our community college in our backyard, Metropolitan Community College in Omaha, to be able to help make events happen and help connect us with students of the next generation. One of the biggest things that we're seeing is it's not a lack of, I don't want to do that job, I don't want to enter that industry. It's a lack of awareness. So how do we break down that barrier and make it known? It's a great industry, but it's one of those best kept secrets, and we need it to not be a best kept secret. We need it to be everywhere so girls can see that as an option for their future. The one ask of anyone attending today's event would be to open your eyes and realize that you don't have to do this alone. We've all as individual manufacturers been trying to solve a talent pipeline in our own silo, in our own lane. We can do it together. We are all facing the same problem. It's not a problem that's company-wide. No single company is ever going to fix this, but together we can. And organizations like Women in Manufacturing can help be that connector. We're not competing. We're there to help. We're there to, a rising tide raises all ships.